Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I am showing here one important SNR level. Yes, very important SNR level. How it's work in real market. So let's start. Yes, today I am showing here Doji SNR level. So I am drawing here. In real market, we found various doji candle like this one, different type of doji in live chart. We found this type of doji, so I'm drawing properly, not like this one. Oh no, like this one. Like this one. So this is called doji star. This is long legged doji. This one is also long legged doji. This is dragonfly doji. This is gravestone doji. So like this type of doji we found in real market. So when the market is in a ranging market, this type of long leg doji or this type of doji work more than 95% as a strong SNR level. Yes, this act as a strong SNR level. So I am drawing here. When we found this type of, suppose this type of long legged doji in a ranging market like this one, I am drawing here like this one, long legged doji, this one, or like this one. So when we found this type of doji, it's more accurate in ranging market. So we have to draw two level. We have to draw, I am drawing here two level like this with horizontal line. Yes, like this with, oh no, horizontal line with horizontal line, like this one, or like this point to this point. One horizontal line here, another horizontal line here. So these two levels, this level and this level, act as a strong SNR level in ranging market. It's this level and this level, this point to this point. This act as a strong SNR level, and this area, this to this area, is a ranging area, consolidation area. So I am drawing properly candle this type of situation or this type of market, then it will be very clear, more clear. I am drawing here. So when one by one, when we found, no, I have to change color. Yes, this color, and this is actual doji color. So this type of doji, this type of long legged doji. So we have to take two line, horizontal line, we have to take like this and like this. No, like this. So when market came to this point like this, after this candle, when market fall down from this point to this point, came to the level or cross the level, the market obviously reverse. The market reverse. It's act as a SNR level, or the candle close exactly in this level, exactly close in this level. This is more accurate than cross the level. This is more accurate. So next candle obviously goes up. It's the actual psychology of this type of doji SNR level. So another situation may happen. I am drawing here. The market goes up from this level, and close exactly in this point, in this SNR level. So doji SNR level, the market obviously fall down. The market obviously fall down. The market goes down. Its work more than 95% in ranging market. When this type of doji, we found this type of doji in real market, we obviously found from this point to this point, this market make consolidation area, congestion area. Ranging market goes up down, sideway market in this range. And when market broke strongly this upper side or this lower side, the market goes up or market goes down finally, after making this type of consolidation area, this type of ranging area. Okay, this is another thing, I will explain it in another videos. So this is the actual psychology of this type of doji SNR level. So I am showing here in real market how it's work, how it's accurate, and how it's work accurately, more than 95% accurately in real market I am showing here. So let's go to the real market. So this is Euro USD pair, and IQ option platform. So now we have to find out this type of doji in the market. Okay, like this one. This is a long legged doji. This is a long legged doji. So what we have to do, we have to take two horizontal line and put it in this level, this point to this point. So now we have to check how it's work. Yes, this is working again and again. The market strongly broke the level, market reverse. Again the market came to this level, broke the level, market reverse. The market came to this level, market reverse. Again and again came to this level, market reverse. Came to this level, market reverse. Finally broke the level, again came to this level, market reverse. So how it work in future? Yes, this strong bearish candle break the level, market again came to this level, market reverse. Broke the level, market reverse. The market finally broke the level, and when market yes came to this level, came to this area, the market reverse. Again came to this area, market reverse. Again and again. So it's more accurate, more than 95% we have to achieve, we can win our trade more than 95% in this type of SNR level in ranging market, not trendy market. So trendy market, how it's work in trendy market, it's other things, and I will describe it in others videos, but today's I am describing only how it's work in ranging market. This one. Again the market close exactly in this level, the market reverse. Stop in this level, market reverse. Again came to this level, market reverse. Again broke the level, market reverse. Again and again. It's act as a resistance level now. Came to this level, market reverse. Again strongly, the market strongly came to this level, market reverse. Market reverse. So it's work again and again. If we place 10 trades based on this type of SNR level, 9 trades we will win. I guarantee it. 9 trades we win. So this is the actual psychology of this type of SNR level. So this type of doji is act as a strong SNR level in ranging market. We can place our trade fearlessly. in ranging market when we found this type of doji SNR level. So it's more than 95% accurate, and our winning ratio is obviously more than 95%. So this is all about this type of doji SNR level. So thank you for watching my videos.